Nandito tayo ngayon sa Malagos Cacao Development Center at dito ginagawa ang mga tsokolate. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami.
For ano ma'am, we have here the bird feeding, the Femizillium butterfly and Malagos chocolate.
Madami na rin wala. Okay, sige. Patudyan na lang kami.
Sige ma'am.
Interviewin natin ang asawa ko tungkol sa kanyang magre-register. Kumusta ka naman, ma'am?
Okay naman po.
Para saan pala yan, ma'am?
Malagos Tour.
Ah, wow. Anong makukuha mo dyan?
Chocolate.
Ah, chocolate.
Gusto ko ng chocolate.
Now ma'am, we are currently here sa front office. Ongoing si lunch ma'am sa Vida Cafe. First building sa entrance ma'am, right side lang. Until 2 p.m.
Okay.
So you have free access ma'am sa aming attractions. We have here the petting zoo, bird feeding dome, butterfly museum, butterfly dome, and Balagos chocolate museum.
Etong mga to, kahit anong oras yan.
Until 5. All of the attraction ma'am is open until 5 p.m. The rest ma'am is open till for sightseeing. So we also offer din po other activities pero additional payment. If ever na interested ma'am, you can pay naman po sa location. So this one ma'am is for your lunch. Tapos ito yung para sa entrance ma'am, may guard lang sa unahan.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Ay, ano.
Wow.
Napoleon Abueva.
Ah.
Baliktad po, ma'am. Ay, lunch na. Sige, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Ito lang area. This is a walking tour. Are you ready to walk?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
May free lunch naman. Hindi pala sa free. May
Technically,
kasama siyang lunch.
Kasama siya. Tapos, be here ng weekends kasi meron silang mga bird show tsaka falcon show. Dahil Monday kami nagpunta, wala kaming show.
Okay lang yan.
I think that's enough. Nang what? Uy!
Ayun yung marap mo. Easy oh. No. Wow, Mindanao Contemporary Art Gallery.
You're excited ah? Nandito tayo ngayon sa rason kung bakit tayo nasa Malagos, ang Chocolate Factory! Chocolate Museum! Let's go! Let's go!
Yung photoshoot. The photo shoot over there. Here's the entrance. Wow. Wow. Ang bango. Po natin ang asawa ko dito at naburo na siya dito sa Chocolate Factory. Napakatagal namin dito. Isang oras na po kami dito. Hindi pa kami nakakalabas.
Tingnan ko kung ano yung issues ng kakao. Yan mo, lack of adequate compensation for farmers, lack of access to education,
Wow.
volatility ng cacao prices, low and insecure cacao prices,
Wow.
difficulty regarding pest control.
So this is make your own chocolate.
Kahit ano dito,
Ayos ma'am. 3 toppings lang. Sure na kayo stock.
gusto ko pistachio. Tatlo no, na
Yes, ma'am.
toppings. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Walnuts. Hindi, masarap pa ang cranberry. Hindi, gusto ko nuts lang. Tsaka pikan na lang.
Laging meron kayong gawa niyan, kuya.
Yes ma'am. Araw.
Araw-araw.
Yes po.
Perfume niyo ba talaga yung amoy na yun?
Ito lang.
Perfume.
May mga chocolate, mga shampoo, tsaka mga lotion din sa souvenir.
Lotion?
Yes ma'am.
Gusto ko yun.
Sige.
Souvenir.
Thank
Unang
you.
gagawin
Ay, sige.
ma'am. Lagyan niyo muna ng half lahat. Half chocolate lang po. Tapos yung filling sa gitna. Tapos chocolate na sa baba. Chocolate
Tapos
first,
itatap.
half filling yung chocolate.
Okay. Thank
Table.
you.
We're going to make our own chocolate. So yeah. How about you? Akin yung heart. Iyo yung ganito, bilag-bilag. Game. Okay, that's right. Next is it.
Canuts.
I put the spark.
Simot yan.
Yes. Simot sarap.
We visited Contemporary Art of Mindanao, and then Chocolate Museum, and the bird cage. Ano ba yun?
Feeding.
Bird feeding.
Tapos, ang view natin ay malapit sa koi pond. It's a good view.
And the nice restaurant.
And it's a nice resto. This is the chocolate I've made. Let's do a taste test. I'll have this heart. Yummy.
Taste test tayo sa aking ginawang tsokolate. Sige. Nalaman natin kung sarap yung ginawa ko.
Pwede ka ng chocolatier.
Rocky hard. Rock.
You're hired.
Mm.